right, so you're going to be starting your home neck traction, and you'll be getting this device. The long part is going to go up against your shoulders, and this part's going to go against your head. Dr. Collins is going to be demonstrating, but you do want to lay on a firm surface. So we recommend that you don't do this on your bed, on a firm surface like your floor, but with something comfortable like a yoga mat or a rug. All right, so you're going to be laying on your back with the device underneath your neck. And again, the long part's going to go up against your shoulders. Your head needs to be hanging back. So go ahead and put your head up. You do not want to look like this. It needs to go clear down by your shoulders with your head back so that you're kind of looking towards the opposite wall. You also want your knees bent. That's going to help take the pressure off your lower back. You're going to start with 2 minutes and add a minute every day until you're doing 5 minutes a day. You can go up to 20 minutes, but don't go beyond that. When it's time to get up off the ground, you're going to roll over onto your side and then push yourself up with your arms. And sit for a minute to get your bearings before you stand up. Let us know if you have any questions.